Good day everyone. So I am Armida J. Lugiber. Today I am explaining the stars pattern using C program. So mao ni ang ato ang output. So let's start. Hashtag include stdio.h kay kana nga part mao na dira ato ang header. Then next is int name. So this is where the program starts. Then next is int row, comma, column, comma, and space, semicolon. So kana dira na part kay kanang mao na siya ato ang tulo ka variables. Then ang kanang row is mag-counts na siya, mag-count which now you are printing. Then ang column kay mag-counts na how many stars to print in each row. Then next is space. Kanang space kay mag-counts na if how many spaces to print before the stars. Kanang mo na siya ang space kay mo na mag-push sa right. For row is equal to 5 semicolon, then row is greater than equal to 1 semicolon, row decrement, then pasabot ani kay ang this loop controls the rows of the pattern. It starts at 5 and counts down to 1. So nagtotal ni og 5 rows. Then each time the program prints 1 row of stars and spaces. So nag-start ang row at 5, then run the loop as long as row is greater than equal to 1. Then after each loop, decrease row by 1. For space equal to 5 minus row semicolon, then space is greater than 0 semicolon, then space. So pasabot ani kay mag-print spaces before stars. Then as the row number gets smaller, the number of spaces will increase. So this moves the stars more to the right on each new line. So for example, when you nag-row ka og 5, then ang space ana kay 0. So wala na siya space. Then if mag-row ka og 4, kay mag-space na siya og 1. Then mag-print na siya og usa ka space. Then ang 3 kay mag-space na og 2. So for column is equal to 1 semicolon, column is less than or equal to row semicolon, then column plus plus. Then kani siya kay mag-print na siya sa stars on the current row. So the number of stars equals the current number. So when row is equal to 5, mag-print na siya sa 5 stars. Then when row is equal to 4, it prints 4 stars. Then so on, if pila ka row iya so ma-print yun ang stars. So next is printf \n. So kani kay mag-moves the cursor to the next line or mag-proceed na ka sa next line. Then lastly is return 0. So kani kay this will tell to end the program or finish na sa program. So that's all about the stars pattern using C program. Thank you everyone.